In this video, I'm going to show you how to change YouTube channel name in mobile. First of all, if you found this video helpful, please subscribe and leave a like. So let's get started. Just go to YouTube. Then from the top right, choose your logo channel, click on it. Then go into your channel. Click that little pencil right here. Then you need to choose your name. Basically, you can change it from here. Click this pencil. Then write your new name. I'm going to choose from Discover Take to Discover Take for the win. Then click Save. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and a comment, and see you soon.